I suppose you're one of them preachers, too.
I guess I am.
Robert Sheffey first appeared on the screen in Unusual Films' most heartwarming production, Sheffey.
Shortcuts, man! I'm sure of that now.
The true life story of this remarkable circuit rider comes to life in striking high definition.
We heard that you were a man of prayer, a man who felt so close to God he could just talk to him about anything. And I think that's wonderful.
That campground was built by people like us. People who believed in it.
It can't be done.
It can! I'll do it myself.
Now fully restored and in HD, Sheffey will continue to touch lives and bless families for generations.
We'd kind of like to know who we're obliged to.
I'm Robert Sheffey.